So this is the new pod speaker print that we did recently with some minor revisions. I had tapered this a little bit cleaner, some more aerodynamic look to it. And we printed this from a dual color PLA filament, and I have another version coming with a different manufacturer to see if there's any difference or what's shinier, what's more metallic looking, because the filaments can vary. Well, there's a new version of the driver for these speakers as well. Pioneer released a new woofer successor to the one that I was using in these speakers. So it'll be interesting to see how they perform. The measurements they give, the plots are very similar in a lot of ways. So, and I tapered this a little bit better too, it's more rounded. And I have two versions of the horns over here. There's one with a smaller hole and one for a bigger hole for two different types of tweeters to test. One is a high efficiency, high output, one is just the standard one here, like this guy. And Chow does a lot of good prints and 3D printing. I recommend him. He's got these big machines. He's got the Voron and another machine that can do prints that are much larger than the printers that you can get at most shops. His printers are a more professional model, and is able to do very large items. For instance, like he's able to do these bass speaker pods too, which I haven't finished assembling yet. Anyways, I need to order a set of speakers for this now that it's printed and everything fits perfectly. I did not assemble this other speaker because I needed the drivers out and ready to check for the size tolerances for the new revisions of the print. So this requires no paint. The great thing about this is that once it's printed, it's ready for assembly, and there's no post-processing with paint, sanding, priming, bonding, sealing. You still, I guess, seal the inside. I have a special material I put inside to seal it, but it saves a substantial amount of time not having to do that. And you can get probably a more professional finish. Well, I can, because I'm not a great painter.